Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. A warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I'm going to explain about the importance of organization behavior. So, why it is important and how it is considered as important in organizations. So, we'll see what are the factors which plays an important role. So, OB is important because it provides a framework for the understanding, predicting, and influencing the human behavior within the organization. Why? Because to achieve the organizational goal. So it enhances the efficiency, productivity, and employee satisfaction by fostering the effective leadership, open communication, and positive work culture, which also helps the management as well as managing the conflicts, driving changes, and improving the decision making for overall organization success. So this depends on developing the many aspects, like we can have the improve the employee performance and satisfactions by understanding the individual motivation and attitude. Organization can create a better work environments, leading to increased job satisfaction, higher moral, and better employee retentions. So enhancing the organization efficiency and productivity. OB helps optimize resources and utilization of the streamlines the process by aligning the individual goals with the organizational objectives, ultimately boosting the overall productivity and effectiveness. So effectiveness and leaderships and decision making. So a group it provides the insights into the different leadership styles and their impact, enabling the leaders to make the better decisions, inspire teams, and foster the trust and engagement among the employees. So conflicts resolutions, understanding the group dynamics and individual behaviors allows for the early identification of the potential conflicts and the development of the effective strategies to resolve the disputes, creating a healthier work environment. When we understand the disputes which is going to happen, before that we can stop and we can make the environment very effective. Like successful change management is also possible. It's also one of the important factors. So like you can say the OB requires the organization with the strategies to align the it guides the employee through the changes such as new technology structures, changes in the management work environment, ensuring the smoother and transition is possible when we have the successful adoptions. So the positive workplace culture is also possible. It plays a very vital role in the shaping the organization culture, fostering the values, norms, and behavior that align with the company's goals, which is in the improves the employee moral and commitments. So, if you see the better communications, the OB emphasizes the importance of the open and effective communication, which helps the prevents the understanding and builds the transparency and ensures that information flows smoothly throughout the organizations. So other thing is teamwork and collaboration. It promotes the effective teamwork by understanding group dynamics and fostering a collaborative culture, enabling the individual to work toward the effectively towards the common goal. So these are all the important factors which focus when organization will have a better understandings. So the motivational leadership, communication, perception, organization culture, these are all possible, and because of this, the organization behavior is important. It will focus on many aspects. So the key elements of organization behavior is people, structure, technology, and external environment. So the external environment, which is directly or indirectly affects the organization with a technical support with the technology which is having a structure in the a structure which is supported by the people. So each and everything is interlinked with the one another. So this is the flow of the organization behavior, and for this reason organization behavior is important. So by this topic I conclude, so organization behavior plays a very important role in the organization when they have a smooth flow from the top to bottom. Thank you.